Hello dear students, I am Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapit Residential School Shivpuri, and I welcome you to watch my channel. You know very well that thing. In my previous video I explained you how to change nouns in adjectives. Well, so that is very interesting method which was explained before you. I hope that you will have understood the concept and factor about the formation of words. And in this series, the new element of the series is how to change noun into adjective. Well, so this is very interesting factor which plays that very important role in our English language. How to change noun into adjectives. Well, so some methods and tricks I will say you clearly and openly, so that you will understand the concept of how to change the noun into adjectives. Well, now come to study that thing. Well, so take some examples and we will study about that thing. Well, so there are some nouns, and in that nouns at the end of that word we can add y. Well, for example, air, you can say air. This is air. And you can add in this, means you can say adding y. Adding y at the end of word or noun, you say. Well, so this is air. Air is noun. It is the name of element, you say. Well, so you can add y. It will be airy. Well, similarly is, and you can add y. It will be easy, and e should be removed. Well, so try to understand the concept or factor of the noun. And next word is, you can silver. Silver. You can add y. It will be silvery. Silvery. Well, so silver and silvery. So these are all simple methods. This is very simple methods through which you can change the noun into adjectives. Well, if you have any doubt in your brain, you can consult with me through your mobile or WhatsApp. So many sources available to talk to me. Well, so now next word you can say hunger. Hunger. You can add y. It will be hungry. Well, so similarly, a lot of words through which you can understand how to form adjectives from noun. Well, now come to the rule number second. It was rule number first. Now rule number second. You will understand. You can add al. If you so you can add al at the end of any noun, so it will be adjective. For example, you can take accident. You can add al in this word. Well, so it will be accidental. You understand? Other words also you can take. Navy. You can add al. It will be naval. And so many words you can say, take original also. Origin. And you can take al at the last. Okay, and it will be original. So it's very interesting method for all the students through which you can understand you can understand the concept and the manners and methods how to change noun into adjectives. Well, so now come to the next example. You can see, well, so original, novel, or accidental, so many. And last third rule also I will explain you both. So try to understand the concept. Well, never try to claim by heart. Well, never. You never try. Well, you never try to cram by or learn by heart. Never try. Try to understand the concept and method and tricks through which you can learn and you can enrich your vocabulary. Well, so it's a nice, interesting method for all the students through which they can do. Well, so now come to the rule number 3. Rule number 3. Rule number 3, you can add able. This one, well, for example, favor. And you can add able. And it will be favorable. Well, so are you understanding or not? Well, and next example you can take also lot of examples are available. So you can take humor, honor you can say. Honor, you can add able. It will be honorable. Honorable. Well, so such kinds of words are available in your books and magazines. Different kind, or you can say you can read different kinds of the newspapers also. So you can find lot of words in your English books. So you can, with the help of this trick, you can make noun into adjectives. Well, so it's very interesting and simple method for all the students. So try to understand. Well, now come to the rule number 3. Well, you can say any other examples also you can take. Well, so durable you can say that, or eat. You can add able. It will be eatable. Well, catchable. Well, so many things are available. Readable, throwable, rideable. So many things are available through which you can do. And now rule number 4. So you can add full also. Full. For example, you can add faith. Faith means trust. Well, so you can add full. It will be faithful. And harm, you can say. Harm means to do something wrong with any other body, you can say that. And to disturb anybody, to disturb other people, that is called harm. Well, so harm is so negative point, you can say. So harm, and you can add full. It will be harmful. Next you can say truth. You can add full. It will be truthful. Well, so it is very interesting method to all the students. So try to learn all the words, and because these are the 4 examples only. 3 or 4 examples for you, but you should try to find out such kinds of words, and they can be suitable for you and through which you can learn very well. So now come to the rule number 5th. Now come to the rule number 5th. So 5th rule number is also very simple for you, through which you can make all the interesting words. Means a noun can be changed into adjectives. So it's very interesting rule. Rule number you can say it fifth. Rule number fifth. So let us study about that thing. So you can add OUS. For example, danger. And you can add OUS. It will be dangerous. Dangerous means people or men who can harm us. Okay, so that's called dangerous, and through which we can be in negative points, you can say. So next you can say courage, and you can add OUS and courageous. Well, so it's very interesting point for you. Well, so you can find out lot of words in your books, and you can learn them, memorize them, so that your vocab power, word power will be so higher, increased in your mind, through which you can select the words whenever you need, and you can deliver a lecture very nicely. Well, so next you can say rule number, so many rules. Well, so you can understand with the help of them. So nervous also, nerve, and you can do like this OUS. It will be nervous. Well, so these are so many words. Studiers, you can see. Study plus OUS, it will be studious. These are all objects. You can add this part of word. Well, so through which by adding this OUS, you can make noun in the form of adjective. Well, you can change noun into adjective. Now come to the next rule number 6. Rule number 6 is also very interesting for you. You can add LES. 6. You can add LS. LESS. Less. Harmless. For example, you can harmless. Harm plus less. It will be harmless. You can say other words also. Care. You can add LES. It will be careless. Help. So there are so many words. Help also you can take. Help plus LESS. It will be helpless. So these words are examples for you. And similarly you can form other words also. Well, now come to the rule number 7. So 7th rule number is very interesting. You can change noun into verb. Means a noun is given. How to change this noun into verb? For example, verb means noun is given. Noun change into verb. How to change? You can change, for example, en. You can add en at the last of word. En. For example, length. And you can add en. It will be lengthened. Well, so you can add this word, through which you can change noun into verb also. Well, so there are a lot of verbs. Yes, is, and you can add en. So this is also given. This e is also given already in the word. So you can remove single e. Well, so it will be hasten. Well, so it's a very simple method for all the students. So you can understand the concept and the rule of the English language, how to improve your vocab power. And next, for example, light also. You can take light. you can add en. It will be lighten. Well, so for example, this you can say other words also. White, whiten, height, heighten. So many words are available for you. You can do well. Sometimes you can use en at the before of the primary word. For example, large. You can add in before the primary word. In large. Circle, you can say. This rule also will be explained for you so that you will understand. For example, you can take large. So you can add here. Enlarge, it will be enlarge. Well, so similarly other words also you can form. Circle you can say take. You can add en. It will be encircle. Well, you can show close, enclose also. N plus CLO, close, enclose. So lot of words are available in the books and magazines also, but you should read always them and select the words which are very interesting and based on pattern, based on rules, and you can then learn. Well, so it is very interesting, and sometimes you can make verb also by adding fy. For example, fy. For example, test. You can add fy. It will be testify. Testify. It is verb. What is this? This is verb. And modify or so many. Purify also. Pure. Pure plus fy. It will be purify. Well, and so many words are just justify also. Just, and you can add justify, so it will be justify. Well, so many words are available here. Simple, simplify.